In this module, we are going to talk about various sources of recruitment. Now, again, we can broadly categorize them into two categories, internal and external. Now, internal sources of recruitment are mainly employee referral programs, internal job postings, promotions, rehiring, and succession planning. What exactly are these? Employee referral programs are basically those kind of schemes or programs within the organization wherein it is encouraged that in the employees who are working in the organization will refer somebody to, let's say there is a vacancy, and if I am an employee of an organization and I know someone who is matching the requirement of that particular vacant position, I will be making that his reference or her reference to the HR department so that they can initiate the next step of calling that person for an interview or whatever the process is. Typically, what organizations do, they have a certain monetary kind of incentive also attached so that I feel more motivated to refer that kind of name to the organization. As compared to the external sources, it is really cost effective because those sort of incentives are not very high. At times, it is just hardly 5,000 rupees or something. Once the person joins in, that is a kind of incentive or bonus is given to the employee, right? Internal job posting. Every company these days has a certain intranet sort of a thing wherein there is a website, like you have your own information systems where students can log in. So that sort of information systems are there in organization, and these kind of job postings, when there is any position which is vacant, typically it happens in large organizations. And this is the concept, another way of, let's say, rotating between jobs as well. Employees have been given that opportunity, and their careers are planned in a way that, okay, they have that sort of freedom to apply for that particular job if they meet the criteria. So promotions, yes, promotion is also a way of recruiting to the next higher level. So it is an internal source. So if I have a position vacant at some, let's say, senior position is vacant, I can, as an HR manager, definitely look at potential candidates within the organization and promote a suitable person to that senior position. So that is how promotion becomes the internal source of recruitment. Rehiring. Now, rehiring is that, let's say there was an employee who left for whatever purposes, but then there is this same kind of project which has come up again, and I can, as an HR manager, maybe contact him or her, checking with him if the person is interested and join back again. So it is again something which I had it in my internal data bank, and when the need is there, I connect with that person and I recruit that person. So this is rehiring. Succession planning. Now, succession planning uses promotions again to have a plan to kind of fill in the positions at the key level or at a senior level. So, right, I mean, this starts at a kind of beginning of the career of a person when he or she joins, and the potential is there based on the performance management of that particular employee or employees. People are handpicked that, okay, these 20 people can be groomed to occupy certain key positions. Now, those key positions may be just 4 or 5 in number, but then we have a pool of around 20-25 people who are shortlisted in a way that these people can become successors of that higher position. So it's a very planned out activity which is done. But yes, it becomes a source of internal recruitment. Why? Because we have that talent pool available for senior position in the organization. So that is what succession planning is. Then let's talk about external sources. Now, external sources you might be aware of, like job sites. And few examples are Naukri.com, Monster.com, so on and so forth. Then we have recruitment advertisements, which could be in any medium. It could be through print. When we say print, it is your newspapers typically. You have your even internet also. We can advertise on various sources, not just Naukri.com and all that, but even at times you can have those YouTube video might have certain advertisements which are floating in. It could be anything. Radio and TV. You have seen those pamphlets and all that. So let's not think only about these multinational kind of companies advertisement. There are at times even walk-ins happening. There are times when you are looking for mechanics, you're looking for plumbers. All that is a part of recruitment. So for people with a certain criteria, because they are locally available, so I'm only interested for that local area within, let's say, 5 kilometer vicinity, because otherwise my operation or my kind of execution of the business may not be feasible. Then comes the recruitment agencies, headhunters, and executive search firms. We call them placement consultants as well. So these recruiting agencies, they are given a contract, or they are asked on an assignment basis to look for a certain kind of profile, or they have that sort of understanding with the client company to supply a manpower kind of pipeline for that particular position for which they are looking at to fill up. Right? Networking. Now, networking, one of the sites for that is linkedin.com, but that is again something which is virtually available. But networking, when we say, there are so many associations, there are so many clubs, employees are at times encouraged to join these kind of professional bodies. Reason being that they can, through word of mouth, through their networks, might be able to refer people. Now again, that can be a part of internal source, but when we are saying networking, people get to know about the company as well. When an employee of a company is representing in various seminars and various kind of, these kind of professional bodies, there are other people with similar sort of profile who understand or who get to know about a particular company, and they might be interested to apply as well. Job fairs, typically it was targeted at the software kind of industries and education industry. So these kind of fairs are also conducted where the people who are looking for applicants and the people who are looking for jobs, they provide you a common kind of ground and they come and meet. It can happen physically and it can also happen virtually as well. Former and unsolicited applicants. So what happens when a person is looking for a job? He or she is typically applying everywhere. So the moment, even when you are looking for jobs, I'm sure, when the moment you see HR at the rate the company's name.com, you will think that, okay, HR means it will land up somewhere in the HR department, and let me just try my luck. Let me send my application. Maybe they might have a position which is suitable to me. So these kind of applicants are there, which is another source of recruitment. And at times people do get hired through this sort of thing as well. Campus recruitment and internship. So you all will be going for your summer internships, and that is another way of looking at the possible or potential employee. If you perform well, you might get a kind of pre-placement offer, PPO. Why? Because a applicant is already there, attracted by that process, working with them through internship. In campus recruitment, I am sure you all are aware, when companies come to various colleges and campuses, they give a presentation that, see, this is the company we are all about. This is the kind of pay which we'll be giving. This is the kind of roles which we offer. This is the kind of growth we offer. How they try and attract students to apply for their company. Then companies' website, blogs, career website, and so on and so forth. This is again another source. Also, various other sources could be your employment exchanges, which is there managed by the government typically, wherein these vocational people, they enroll themselves and then they are supposed to get job opportunities, as typically again in the government sector when they arrive. Now, let me know if you have any queries. Stay tuned for more content.